This program prepares me for my career by having that hands-on experience and
They worked with me, showed me how to sand, lay out Bondo, how to use the blocks. Really good working with them.
The program coordinator helped me get started on how to do things like properly use body filler, how to lay spray, and I'm forever grateful for that.
I was actually very surprised with how accepting everybody was, considering I am a female in a male's world. I found the group of people that I hang out with day to day very quickly, and I honestly didn't expect that.
it's satisfying to see the process and all that stuff. There's kind of like a beauty to it. People will want to see the car clean, make sure it's safe. There will always be a demand for people in this industry.
You're presented with so much opportunity. I mean, you could basically do anything that you wanted to related to collision repair and refinish in a body shop or as an insurance agent or anything.
I've tried to soak it all in because hopefully one day I'll be able to have my own body shop.
Later on, I would like to open up my own female-owned shop.
If you decide not to come to this program, you're denying yourself an opportunity. It's probably one of the greatest things that you'll ever do in your whole life.